Hey guys, unbox our barbecue.
Mommy,
The one that comes with gas.
Let me try.
So guys, it's barbecue upon barbecue, grilling upon grilling. That's what we are going to be doing this summer.
Mommy, this hurry. If you do like this, the water comes out.
Yeah. Good boy. Okay.
This is how I love.
This is looking like a lot of work. I wish they would just assemble the whole things in the shop. You get there, you pay and just have it. Because seeing all these pieces is looking like a whole lot. Okay. Take him to your side. Take it to your side. Get some toys and see there. Why is it looking like this?
Welcome. This guy like that. Guys, do you want to block off? First, put your hands to get it worse. Until out. It would be blocked them. Woohoo! So you have to blast off all the smoke.
I want to easy.
What is it, Jamaica?
I'm trying to open this one.
What you got? Okay.
I find scissors.
Take it, put it to that side.
How can you find tissue?
Guess what?
That tissue here. Here.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy, I got this. Look it up. I got TV pop.
That's it, it's more like this.
I open it and take it.
It's inside.
Yeah.
Are you sure this is the screw?
No, I don't know. Okay.
Can I put the water? Have water right on my pot.
It's like a puzzle. And this one here. Next one, please.
Yeah, so then what you need to do is the dog.
Adam. Say Adam.
Help me on this. I'm not working. Is this one done?
Empty.
Okay. Done.
Be careful. Wait.
All right.
Okay.
Mommy,
So, which one
where
should
is
we
the
try?
crown?
Just try anyone at all.
Amputation. Crown.
It's like any day ignition on.
You need what? Ignition.
Essential.
Yeah, I think we need light or something.
Light,
Yeah, to light it.
Mommy,
You need light.
what does that smell?
It's the gas.
So how do you light it? Let's not burn down our house.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on. I can see.
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, where is it? Where is it flaming? Yay. Yeah, you can see it.
Looks nice.
Looks nice. Yeah.
Cooking.
Well done. High five. High five.
Hey,
Yeah.
oh, it's already.
It's already,
Wow.
it's already roasting.
Did you like that?
Oh my days. It's already roasting nothing, guys. It's roasting nothing. Tomorrow we must do barbecue here. Let's not waste our gas.
Yeah.
It.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
Push. Push and yeah. Push.
Okay, guys. So let's close it. Tomorrow we're gonna do barbecue. We're gonna roast some things in here.
Not that deep. I need to do this now.
Wow. Okay.
Mommy, I want to play in the water. There.